We have a really important update for you on the time and temperature call that Jesse was talking about.
The amount of messages I received was overwhelming that there actually is still a time and temperature. So Lolly, Andy, all the others that sent me that message, thank you. So here, check it out. So if you don't know this, and listen here.
Is Friday, December 30th.
The time and temperature is coming up.
And of course it's commercialized, so we're not going to listen to the commercial. I'll give you the temperature, and the time is 4:46. That's cool that it still exists, Morgan. I like it.
I love that for you.
It reminds me of being, I used to call it all the time as a kid. All right, 59 degrees in Fort Worth. It's cloudy. High today was 63, cooler than the 74 yesterday. The normal high is 56. So even though it was cooler today, it's still 7 degrees warmer than the normal. The low this morning was 46 degrees, and that's pretty close to where we're going to be again overnight. Right now it's 62 out of DFW with a north wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. That north wind will become a south wind overnight. That may be a problem this weekend. We already have high levels of mountain cedar in our air. That's not going to change anytime soon, especially when you get those stronger south winds. So that's something to keep in mind going into this weekend. If you're feeling kind of icky, that might be why. 72 tomorrow in Dallas. It's going to be very warm tomorrow. 76 in Granbury, 70 in Greenville, 71 in Terrell. Canton will be at 71 and some upper 60s along our Red River counties. So here's what we're expecting tonight. Maybe a sprinkle. That's really about the most we can pull out of the sky. The air is pretty dry aloft. A lot of it's evaporating before it reaches the surface. So we'll have cloudy skies this evening. Gradually, the skies will start to clear out. So we'll see mostly sunny skies by early tomorrow morning. So this is 7 a.m. You see most of the areas just sunny, and we'll have lots of sunshine throughout the weekend. A couple, little waves of some clouds may move into North Texas, but that's it. None of them will be rain producing. And then this is 7 a.m. on Sunday. See some low-level clouds building in the morning. And then as we get into the afternoon and evening, you start to see the clouds build back in. And this will be ahead of our next chance of thunderstorms here in North Texas. And that, again, will be that chance to maybe see some strong to severe storms. So I'm not sure you could ask for better weather. I've said that a million times, but I mean, really think about it. The last day of December, the first day of January, highs in the low to mid 70s. Some of you probably want it a little bit cooler, but at least it's somewhat comfortable. 72 Saturday, 75 on Sunday. A lot of sunshine Saturday, maybe a few more clouds building in the second half of Sunday. Also, I wouldn't call it windy, but there will be some breezes. South winds 10 to 20. Like I said, that may be the problem for some mountain cedar. Then we look ahead to that chance of thunderstorms that gets here on Monday. The storm system that's going to bring heavy rain to the west coast and heavy snow to the mountains in the west will bring us a chance of thunderstorms late Monday morning into Monday afternoon. Of course, we'll kind of fine tune the timing as we get through the weekend and certainly Monday morning. But right now that looks to be the best time frame for that to happen. So there's 8 a.m. Watch as we get through, let's go through 3 p.m. You see the rain building, and we get into the late morning, early afternoon. We'll have some thunderstorms across North Texas. This is where some of those could be strong to severe. We'll keep a really close eye on it. The highest chance of severe weather will be east of Dallas. That's where the higher chance and higher coverage will be. That's 3 p.m. We get into the late afternoon into the evening. Things start to wind down for most of North Texas. Still, though, east of the Metroplex into the evening, maybe some thunderstorms. And then it's all in East Texas, Arkansas, and Louisiana by Monday night. That's where the severe weather threat is the absolute highest. So as we already take a look, we already have a level 3 enhanced risk for Little Rock, all the way down through Shreveport, and then parts of East Texas. That's, again, better chance for severe weather. However, Dallas-Fort Worth, parts of the Dallas-Fort Worth area under a level 2 slight risk, and that goes for really kind of the eastern half of North Texas. You can see it kind of runs up, we'll just say the I-35 corridor and off to the east. So yes, severe weather's possible. There's a lot of questions still that remain. It's really going to depend on the timing of this front. Some models have it faster. A faster solution would pull the severe weather risk even farther east. If it slows down a little bit, we may pull it a little bit farther west. Right now, this is kind of that middle ground solution that seems about right to see some gusty storms on Monday. Tonight, mostly cloudy, cool with light winds, 46 degrees. Tomorrow, 72, breezy and warmer with sunshine, and the next 10 look pretty good. I mean, really, for this time of the year, that's not so bad. 56 on Wednesday. It does get cool. 55 on Thursday. No freezes over the next 10 days. And really after Monday, it's pretty dry too. And temps kind of gradually go back into the 60s Friday, Saturday, Sunday of next week. And we'll kind of wrap up the 10-day forecast in the middle 60s.
All right, Jesse, thanks so much. You know, you can be better prepared for Monday storms by downloading our WFAA weather app. It includes alerts to your phone on the changing conditions. And as always, it is free in the App Store.